What if I told you that the biggest mistake SMB owners make with AI isn't implementing it wrong, it's thinking it's supposed to replace their best people? In the next minutes, I'm going to show you exactly why your top employees become even more valuable when you add AI voice agents to your team. I'm Mo from Sonar AI, and if you're running an SMB and worrying that implementing AI voice agents means losing the human touch that makes your business special, this video is specifically for you. We've helped dozens of SMBs enhance their teams with voice AI and not replace them. And every day you delay implementing AI because you're worried about your team is actually a day you're missing an opportunity to make your best employees even more effective. And if you want to see how this human-AI partnerships could transform your specific business, then I do offer free consultations. I leave links in the description below. And with that said, let's jump right into it. Most business owners picture AI voice agents as either robotic voices from the 90s or think they'll have to fire their trusted receptionist. Both pictures are wrong and costing you money every day. Let me tell you about Mark's plumbing company. He was terrified AI meant losing Maria, his receptionist who knew every customer by name. But here's what happened. Maria went from answering "what are your hours" 40 times a day to focusing on complex scheduling and building relationships with clients. The AI handled the routine stuff and Maria became the customer experience superhero. What is the result, you ask? Maria went from burned out to being their most valuable team member. And Mark's business grew 30% in 6 months just from answering missed calls alone. So AI doesn't replace your best people, it replaces the boring tasks, preventing your best people from doing what they do best. AI voice agents excel at tasks that drain your team's energy. They answer questions perfectly every time, never forget callback numbers, and work at 2 in the night when your employees are sleeping. One client's voice AI freed up 14 hours per week from routine interactions, but the AI doesn't handle complex problems, build personal relationships, or read emotional cues. It transfers to your team with a complete summary. That's what it's really good at. And your employees' empathy and problem-solving skills are irreplaceable. So AI is like giving them a capable assistant for routine work. So they focus on high-value interactions that grow your business. Here's how the partnership works. AI answers immediately, gathers physics info, and qualified leads. For simple requests, AI completes the interaction and adds appointments to your calendar. For a complex situation, AI recognizes this and says, "Let me connect you with one of our specialists. I'll send them everything we discussed." Your team gets the call with a complete summary. They jump straight into solving the complex problem, and most clients see 15 to 30 times ROI from this. Bottom line, your best employees bring judgment, empathy, and relationship building that AI can't replicate. AI brings consistency and availability that humans can maintain. The winning businesses combine these strengths instead of seeing them compete. Now, if you want to see how this works for your business, I have limited consultation slots for this month where we'll design a system for your team. We'll analyze your call patterns, identify efficiency opportunities, and show you specific ROI projections. So if you're interested, please check out the first link in the description below. With that said, I thank you so much and see you in the next video.